Hi there, my name is Taylor Santella, and I've been appointed by TPG to look over and discuss management operations. I'll be giving you a background on the company, discuss what management operations is, and provide my recommendations on how TPG can improve their management operations. So, David founded the company as Total Peripherals Group in 1986. Their head office is only a short walk away from my office in North Sydney on Pacific Highway in the old Vodafone building. TPG Limited is home to brands in Australia including Vodafone, TPG, iiNet, AAPT, Interdrode, Libra and Felix. More on that a little later. It has a strong 4G network covering more than 23 million customers in over 5,600 sites. Additionally, the 5G network rollout is currently underway and is already covering 85% of Australians living in all capital cities. And in only July 2020, the merger with Vodafone Hutchison's Australia officially occurred after 2 years of delay. Just real quick, so the share price has seen some volatility. However, it is currently sitting at $6.77 at time of recording. And as you can see, in 2019, their revenue and assets increased significantly. As discussed in the previous slide, TPG has been acquiring many of the brands you may recognize, such as iiNet, as well as the most recent merger with Vodafone. So, operation management, what is it? Well, you have probably never given much thought on how organizations create goods and services that you consume or buy. How does operational management work? Well, it references to the process of converting resources into finished goods and services. There are three factors involved, and they are services and manufacturing, effectively and efficiently managing productivity, and strategic role in an organization's competitive success. All right. So creating an effective and efficient value chain can reduce costs, and these savings can be passed on to the consumer. For value chain management to be implemented successfully, there are 6 components needed. So it's for the enterprise to conduct coordination and collaborations, that's number 1. Technology investment, organizational processes, leadership, employees, and organization culture and attitudes. So, now that we know that companies use operation management to find ways to improve their services and manufacturing, finding ways to become more efficient and effective and to be more strategic, and we also know that companies are always looking ways to create better value for their product through value chain management, how can TPG improve value to their customers? Well, successful value chain management is not possible without significant investment in technology. The payoff from this investment is that technology can be used to restructure the value chain to better serve end users. So, how can we improve? My recommendation is, well, we all know that TPG already currently covers 85% of Australians in capital cities. How about the rest of Australia? Installing 5G towers in metro satellites, so cities such as Wollongong and Newcastle, would provide better value for customers that may be paying for a service, however don't have access to it. Investing in 5G towers in Australian metro satellites would also help bring in new and existing customers. Metro satellites already have a relatively high density population, and it would also allow the cross-sale of NBN alternatives to households. Well, thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye for now.